Hello everybody, this is the Dermlite DL4 dermatoscope, and today I am just going to be showing you the equipment. To learn how to use it in more detail and to interpret what you see, please do come along to a Dermoscopy for Absolute Beginners course. So this is the Dermlite DL4 dermatoscope, as you can see here, and this is very simple to use because it just has one button. And this button turns it on, and then if you press it again, it will switch it between polarized and non-polarized mode. And if you press it and hold it, it will turn it off. Couldn't be easier. In order to focus it, you twist here, and that will extend the end plate for you. And as you can see, there is a scale on the side here. And if you put that to 0, then that is now perfectly focused for a flat lesion and is ideal for taking a photo with your phone or your camera. For the other thing that you can see with this end plate is that it is totally enclosed. So if you don't ever remove it, then you will not need to take it off to clean under it. But if you do need to take it off to clean under it, you can. There is a little bit there, and you just clip it out, clips off easily, so you can clean it if you need to. But the other thing that you can do is you can use it to look at a lesion where you don't want to compress the vessels on the surface, and you will obviously have to do that in polarized mode, but that works very beautifully. And then it clips back on again, and you do just need to make sure it's clipped on properly all the way round. The other big advantage with the DL4 is that you can get these disposable caps for it. They are a different size to the caps for the other types of Dermlite dermatoscopes. So the caps are specific to the scope, and it just clips on very nicely like that. You can still use it in polarized mode, or you can use it in non-polarized mode with contact fluid. And that is absolutely ideal for when you're looking at a lesion that's oozing or bleeding or on a mucosal surface where you just want to be able to dispose of the end cap afterwards. It has a perfectly good, perfectly reasonable sized diameter end plate here, and it has excellent optics all the way to the edge of the end plate, but it's not so large that it's going to get in the way. So I have not got a small contact end plate for it, but frankly with this one you don't really need it. It's pretty much the ideal size anyway. And in order to take photos, you can use any of the Dermlite adapters. So there's a Dermlite universal adapter. You can get a Dermlite adapter which will just be as a case for an iPhone like this, which attaches very nicely like this. And as you can see, as I move this, it is not adjusting the focus is adjusted here. And this has the huge advantage that this is one of the few scopes that's actually really easy to adjust the focus when you've got your phone attached. Although having said that, because it's got the marker to show you where the focus should be anyway, that's another added bonus. So this is incredibly easy to focus and to take photos. And if you use the Dermlite universal phone adapter, again, that will also attach to it very nicely, very securely, holds on very well there. In terms of the charger, if you want to charge it, it uses a standard mini USB charger, the same as most mobile phones. So you're unlikely ever to be unable to find a charger for it. It's a beautiful size for being handheld. It's quite light, and it comes with this case, comes with this leather case to protect it, which it fits into very nicely and easily. And then it has a clip, a belt clip, so that you can clip it to your belt. And that case is a very good protective case. This is an excellent dermatoscope. It has amazing optics and is one that probably is the one that I use most from day to day. And remember that today, all I'm doing is I'm showing you the equipment. If you want to know how to use a dermatoscope and how to interpret what you see, then please do come along to one of our Dermoscopy for Absolute Beginners courses, or to one of our intermediate or advanced dermoscopy courses. And we also run general dermatology courses at the PCDS. The website is pcds.org.uk, and this was the Dermlite DL4.